Hey guys, this is Tan Colbert of Colbert Tech Repair, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the CM Storm Ultimate Quickfire MX Blue Cherry mechanical keyboard. Stay tuned. Alright guys, well, there's really not much here on the box. It just shows the front of the box here, what it looks like. It shows that it is Cherry MX Blue switches, which is a low resistance switch with a force feedback and a click. There's really nothing on the sides of the box, just some Quickfire logos. It says it requires Windows 7, Vista, stuff like that. On the back, in multiple languages, it has a bunch of information. Pretty much it just says they have a lifespan of 50 million key presses, full LED blacklight with 3 modes and 5 brightness levels, an embedded steel plate for maximum stability and durability, anti-slip pads, Windows keys can be disabled, and detachable braided USB cable with routing management. Alright, let's get this thing opened up and see what's inside. Now, I myself have never owned a mechanical keyboard. Right now I'm using the Razer Deathstalker, and I don't like the chiclet style keys. I see that I mess up while pressing the keys quite often, and I wanted something different in order to game better. When you first open the box, you have a Ultimate Quickfire Quick Start Guide. It tells you what to do. You get a piece of paper that says to make sure your USB is fully connected. You have a key puller. The keyboard is covered with a piece of plastic, which seems kind of cheap to me, but we'll make sure it came alright. And in the back here we have a fully braided USB mini to USB gold-plated USB connector. Well, I'm going to keep this box. Take care of it. The keyboard itself comes in a nice anti-static bag here. Alright. So this is the keyboard. You can see here, it looks just like a regular ordinary keyboard, except it's all backlit. I will show you that once it gets hooked up. On the back here, you can see the 4 rubber feet and the 2 standing feet. It also has the connector. I doubt you'll be able to see it because it's recessed, but it connects in right there underneath, and there is routing for cable management. Alright, well, let's get this thing hooked up and see how it performs. Alright guys, well, I finally got the keyboard hooked up, and I must say it is a very nice keyboard. I will show you here. It is now fully lit up. It's all blue. I wish I could have got a red model, but I actually picked this up on eBay because they are sold out everywhere of the Ultimate Editions. Now, as you can see here in this mode, everything is completely lit up. If you hit the function key right there, you can then hit any of these keys to change the modes. There's one mode to turn the LEDs on and off. There's a mode to decrease the brightness and increase the brightness, and there's a mode to change how it works. You can have it fade in and out. You can have just the WASD and the arrow key is illuminated, or you can have them all illuminated. Now, I really like this feature. If I did have one thing to say to gripe about it, is it doesn't have a wrist rest, and I really do like wrist rest on my keyboards, but for what it is, this is an incredible keyboard for what it does. I will just give you a quick typing test here. I'll type a couple sentences so you'll know exactly how it sounds. And there you have it, guys. One thing I really do like about it is this thing is sturdy as hell. There is no way I could break this even if I tried. It's also extremely heavy. The main reason I quit this is because I was using the Deathstalker with the chiclet style keys, and the way I play is sometimes like I would be hitting the space bar and I'd feel like I would come off of it and it wouldn't hit right, or I'd be hitting the WASD keys and it just wasn't as nice as I would like gaming from a keyboard. But overall, this is a very good buy if you can find it. It is the CM Storm Quickfire Ultimate MX Blue. They also make MX Cherry Red and Cherry Brown versions of this keyboard, and I believe they also have a red LED model. I wish I could have found it because that's my current build in my case is red LED, but I think I can manage if my only gripe is just LEDs and no wrist rest. But if you're in the market for a keyboard, I highly recommend the Cooler Master CM Storm Ultimate Quickfire MX Cherry Blue mechanical keyboard. Alright guys, if you like this video, like it. If you didn't like it, dislike it. Also, you can subscribe for more future content, and you can find me here on YouTube. You can find me on Twitter at TankleBear92, and you can also find me on Facebook at facebook.com/ColbertTechRepair. See you next time.